Honorable Mulder? Sorry.
Thank you, Honourable Chair of Chairs. Well, Chair of Chairs, Honourable MECs, members, HOD. Today we are unfortunately not debating the report as well, which is unfortunate because they speak to each other, the report on the budget. But nevertheless, while Gauteng is South Africa's smallest province by land area, it remains the economic powerhouse of the country. We've heard it a lot today. This places an even greater responsibility on the province to utilise every hectare of productive agricultural land efficiently and strategically. Unfortunately, the department's performance and priorities do not yet reflect the urgency required. The Freedom Front Plus believe that Gauteng can and should do much more to increase agricultural production, strengthen food security, and create sustainable employment opportunities. Too much fertile land remains underutilised, while farmers continue to face challenges relating to infrastructure, rising input costs, water security, stock theft, and inadequate support services. A particular concern is that continued loss of productive agricultural land to uncontrolled urban expansion and poor planning. Once agricultural land is lost, it is seldom recovered. The province needs a clear strategy to protect high-potential agricultural land and support commercial, emerging and small-scale farmers alike. The department must also improve the effectiveness of its farmer support programs. Success should be measured by number of projects launched, but not by the number of projects launched, but by the number of farmers who became commercially viable, create jobs, and contribute to the provincial economy. The Freedom Front Plus further believes that agriculture should be viewed as a key economic growth sector, not merely as a social development tool. By investing in agriculture infrastructure, market access, biosecurity measures, agricultural technology and skills development, Gauteng can significantly increase local food production and reduce dependence on other provinces for essential agricultural products. Food security remains a critical concern. Recent outbreaks of animal disease have demonstrated the importance of effective biosecurity systems, animal traceability, and agricultural risk management. These areas require far greater attention and investment. Honourable Chair of Chairs, the Freedom Front Plus wants to see Gauteng where agriculture is recognised as a strategic economic asset, where productive land is protected and where farmers are empowered to expand production. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Mulder.